In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Photoshop. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First up, you'll need to go to the Adobe Photoshop website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL photoshop.adobe.com. This will take you to the homepage of Adobe Photoshop, where you can access various tools and services. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the site if it's your first visit. Now that you're on the Adobe Photoshop homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the Upload File button. This is a crucial step in getting your PDF into Photoshop, as it allows you to bring files from your computer into the application. Clicking Upload File will prompt a window to pop up, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Take a moment here to think about the PDF you want to work with in Photoshop. Make sure it's on your computer and easily accessible. Once the file browser window is open, you'll need to navigate your file directory to find your PDF. This part of the process is straightforward but essential. Look through your folders to locate the PDF you wish to import into Photoshop. With your PDF file in sight, click on it to select it. Double check that you've selected the correct file, as opening the wrong one can set you back. After confirming, click Open. This action will begin the importing process. Adobe Photoshop might take a few moments to upload and process your PDF due to its potentially large size. During this time, Photoshop is essentially preparing to display your PDF pages, layers, or vector objects for editing. Once imported, you'll be able to see your PDF pages in the Photoshop workspace. This functionality provides you the opportunity to manipulate and edit your PDF content, similarly to how you'd handle other image types within Photoshop. In summary, uploading a PDF to Photoshop is simple once you know how. By navigating to the Adobe Photoshop website, uploading the PDF from your computer, and patiently waiting for the import process to finalize, you'll gain access to a wide array of editing tools that can help bring out the best in your PDF content. Whether it's for detailed graph editing, photo manipulation, or design adjustments, you'll find Photoshop's toolset versatile and comprehensive. So, that wraps up our guide on importing PDFs into Photoshop. Feel free to explore and experiment with the vast abilities Photoshop offers. Don't forget to save your work along the way. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.